Today, I'll be teaching you how to install skills in Claude Code Terminal. Now, first, if I do /skills, you can see currently no skills found, and they tell you that you can create skills in the .cloud folder. So to install skills, you have to open this folder, then you put all your skills in the skills folder. So let me show you how. You can just tell Claude to open the .cloud folder for you. And if it works, you'll see something like this. Now, if it didn't work, let me show you how to open the Cloud folder. So if you're on Windows, you open up PowerShell, and then you will type Explorer space, open quotation, $home, /.cloud. Then you close the quotation. Then you press enter, and it will automatically open the Cloud folder for you. If you're using Mac, then you open Terminal, then you type open space ~.cloud. Then you press enter and it'll open the Cloud folder. So after you open the Cloud folder, you want to create a new folder called Skills. So click on New, click on Folder, or you can just right-click anywhere, go to New, click on Folder, and for the new folder, we'll call it Skills. Then you go inside the folder, and then this is where you will add all of your skills. So I have one skill over here. I'll just move this over. And now I will have installed this skill to Claude Code. Now remember, each skill should have its own folder. So one skill, one folder. And for each folder, it should have its own SKILL.md file for it to work. Now if I go back to Claude Code and I do /skills, you can see currently it says no skills found because I just added this skill. So here's how to fix it. You can restart Claude Code, or you can just type /reload-skills. Then you press enter, and then you can see one added. And now if I do /skills, you can see that the new skill that I added is now over here. I now have the app idea generator, which is the new skill that I just added inside this folder. And now to use the skill, I can just type /, then you type out the skill name. So the skill that I added is app idea generator. Then I press enter and I can start using this skill in Claude Code. Now, if you're trying to install a skill, but then it is in a .skill format, here's what to do. You rename it into a zip file. So I will remove the skill at the back. I'll change it to zip. And now I can open this file. You can see the skill folder is inside. I can now extract this. And now I can move this folder into my skills folder.